Alright, welcome back to my video. It's been a hot minute, as you can see. As you can see, today I have brought my siblings. We are on vacation and Christmas. If you have not already, go and click this card, watch the video before this. Today we are going to do a sibling tag. I have a list of questions that we're going to be asking each other, and it's a mukbang. So we have prepared lots of food for us to eat, and there are people walking in front of us, so if you see us get a little nervous, that's why. So without further ado, we're going to start. Don't talk. We're going to go through introductions from oldest to youngest, so. You're the oldest.
My name's Pat. P. Diddy. My name's Pat. I go to school at the University of Bristol. I'm age 23. My favorite color is
Alright, that's it.
beige.
Next!
I'm Rachel Deppen, part dragon. I go to school at the University of Tampa in Florida, United States.
Y'all know me, it's Payton. If you have not already, go follow me on Instagram. I will link all of their Instagrams down below. I'm 19, I'm the middle child. And yeah, next we have...
I'm Ava. I'm 17 and I go to high school here in Abu Dhabi, and I'm a senior in high school.
And I'll let you know where I go to school at a later moment.
Oh!
I'm Jackson. I'm 17. The youngest one, along with Ava, and I go to high school here.
Alright, that was fun. Alright, next let's dig in.
Say no more.
I'll just keep the phone the whole time. Oh, pass here, one of them brown tea. What? I should get some tapioca pudding, grilled cheese, rice noodles with garlic and butter. Cookies I made last night, gluten-free cookies. I'm even gonna edit this one out. Go! You guys can have me watch your Stop now! Jax, you got a handful. The rice cookies? Yeah. Hit me up with one. A handful? Careful, Jax.
To begin,
I'm gonna get some of this.
we're gonna go down and pass the list around. Yep. Okay, so like I was saying, we're gonna pass this list around. Shut up. We're gonna pass this list around a bunch of questions. We're not gonna go in order. I just found a bunch. They're inappropriate, they're funny, and they're gonna get to know us. So enjoy our mukbang questionnaire.
Who smells the worst? So, do we go down the line and say our answer?
I feel like everybody should just say what they think.
Okay. Payton.
Peyton.
Payton.
I was gonna say Jack, but
Peyton's
No, it's definitely
Yeah,
Payton. She stinks
definitely
all the
her.
time.
Every single day. Who was the favorite child?
Ava.
Ava.
Not anymore.
Me.
No, you're still.
You were never the favorite.
No. Ava was a favorite forever. Whenever
Be
we...
the favorite now, though. It's not
I
Ava.
don't know. We
Yeah,
would-
now it's
probably
not.
me.
No.
No,
It's still Ava.
it's not me.
Payton, no one ever likes me.
Mom literally said it's not me anymore.
All right,
Next.
moving on.
Probably Stan.
Okay, who has a weird fetish?
Foot fetish.
Who has one?
Are you just saying it? Or are you
Dragon fetish.
No, Rachel has a fetish with being naked.
Well, that's not weird though.
Yes, it is. Not normal people don't walk around naked.
That's true.
Who will be the first one with a kid?
Probably Rachel.
Peyton might have a mistake.
Next year.
Ew, don't say that.
Planned or
Annoying.
Probably Rachel.
I think Rachel.
Yeah.
do you agree?
I agree.
Okay, why do our parents live here? If you have not already, go watch. I did a whole video before this. I'll put the card up there. But in other people's words, why do we live here now? We're in Abu Dhabi filming this.
The vibes.
So that they could get us far away from their other kids and lessen their responsibilities and make us live on our own and fend for ourselves.
Whose style is the best?
I'd probably say mine.
No.
No.
I'd say Ava's.
It's definitely not you.
I don't like things that Payton wears because they're all
No, I have good style.
You
I
dress
just,
like a
a
grandma.
little bit swanky.
I just choose not to dress well most of the time.
Ava doesn't do anything ever. She lays in her bed.
Nuh-uh, I go out.
All right, next.
What?
Nice spot.
Who's the most immature?
How with the singer?
Rachel,
Me.
who has boyfriends and girlfriends. So if you have a boyfriend or girlfriend, raise your hand. Available.
Okay.
All right, Rachel, talk about your boyfriend. Shameless promo.
My boyfriend's name is Gabino. He also likes dragons. You can follow him on Instagram at Dragon Ball Z Lover.
No, be for real. Come on.
Yes, I have a boyfriend. His name is Gavin.
How long have you been
We've
together?
been together for about,
I need my drink.
it'll be 3 years and 1 month. 2 months. Yeah, nice guy.
All right, move on. Jack?
What's today?
Talk about both of them.
Jack, say how long you've been dating your woman.
What's her name?
Like a month and a half. Her name is Maya. She's from Spain. She's very nice.
No one's met her yet.
I have.
Alright,
Pat?
So I have a girlfriend. Her name's Trisha. Shout out to Trisha.
How long have you been together?
She's from France. We've been together for about 3 years.
So just curious, you can edit this out. when you guys broke up, do you include that in your time together?
That's included in the time. So total, we've been together for 3 years.
With one breakup?
How long was that?
How long was your breakup?
But we're at a month.
Cam and I have not broken up.
I'm available.
I'm also available.
Cool.
All right.
Alright.
Loser.
Self promo.
Who's blacked out before?
Pam?
Payton.
I haven't.
Oh, you have?
No, I haven't. I'm never blacked out.
You told me you did.
Yeah,
I didn't know the
when you were in the
Ohio's-
bathroom.
What bathroom?
That
No.
night that you got really bad.
No, I remember the entire thing. I did have a bad night. Pat, you blacked out.
I don't drink.
I've blacked out, but I don't remember it. So
Well, that's
That's a blackout. Pat blacked out at a Subway and woke up hours later.
Still on the subway.
Still on the Subway.
Bro, I would have gotten off.
Oh, Wanda's out here.
Aw. Who was the closest among the siblings?
Ava and I.
Yeah, Jack and
Jack
I.
and Eva. I would agree.
they sure.
Who fights the most?
Rat and Pat.
And Rachel.
Me and anybody of the others. I
You don't
fight
fight
with
Fly swatter down. That's
No, I fight with everyone except Ava because they're all dumb, and I don't deal with dumbness.
Oh yeah.
Who's the most dramatic? Didn't we already do this one?
Payton.
No, I don't
No, we
think so.
No.
Payton.
Payton will cry about anything.
Who's the
ever.
least dramatic?
When's the last time I cried?
Who's the least dramatic?
Me.
No,
Pat.
Rachel's dramatic.
No, I'm not.
Yep, you're
Jack
the
or
least
I.
dramatic out of the girls.
Jack or I
but-
are definitely the least.
Yeah.
No, Jack's dramatic.
Jack's dramatic.
Yeah,
It'd
probably
be Pat.
Probably Pat.
Someone put Wanda in the shop.
No, she doesn't want to be in this. What?
Oh,
Who's had the most lovers?
Payton. Have
Yeah.
I liked any of them?
Yes, she
I should
has.
not say
What
this on
defines
camera.
it?
Wait, here's a question for Rachel. Who's had the most secret lovers?
Not me.
Gavin. At Gavin Carver.
Payton again.
Secret lovers.
Yeah.
So.
Yeah, probably Payton. She gets around. She talks to a lot of men.
I like my men. I'm taking applications below. Just kidding. All those creepers are probably watching this video.
Ale.
Peanut butter? Oh yeah, somebody commented on my Instagram that I would look good covered in peanut butter.
Someone also.
It's not a lie. It happened. Airplane!
Alright, who else has questions?
Tune in for next week's video where we cover Payton and peanut butter.
We seriously should do that.
Yeah, let's do
Before a
it.
bathing suit, that'd be hilarious.
And then we go to adult park.
Can we please do that?
We should do a challenge where we cover you in peanut butter and you have to run down into the water.
Please, I will cover you in peanut butter.
All right, thanks for watching this week's video. If you liked it, please make sure to like, subscribe, comment down below. I will have everybody's Instagram down in the description.
Not mine, because mine's on private and I don't want people following me.
And again,
Follow me.
if you want to see me covered in peanut butter as our next video challenge, make sure to comment or like.
Wanda can
it's
lick it
funny.
off.
Wanda will lick it off me.
Ew.
Stay tuned for next week's video. Peace out.
Thanks for watching.